lesson study enhancements. Okay, so these lesson study enhancements may be given to you as an assignment or as a quiz. So obviously here in the Google Classroom, you will find it here as assignment or quiz. But of course, what to do is the lesson activity enhancements. And of course, maybe in the early days of the semester, I will still be posting some few instructions, but later there may be no need for that, because as I have already presented it here, I will give you already the basic format as to how to make this lesson study enhancements. So again, only possibly some minor modifications will be included in the instructions if ever there are. And again, the date and time of submission. So now we discuss how to make this lesson study enhancements. So this lesson study enhancements class is of course pertaining to a particular lesson that we have discussed. Example, we have discussed about inventory. Example only. So if we have discussed about inventory, then after the lesson, which is provided to you online also, after the lesson, I may give you again, either as an assignment or as a quiz, to provide lesson study enhancements about inventory. So in that lesson study enhancement, which we are going to make using Microsoft Word, we will not use Google Docs because there may be some changes in the format once you download it on your computer, and to avoid that, we will just use Microsoft Word. So of course, you open your Microsoft Word file, Microsoft Word app, and then you format it in the following manner. So of course, in the layout, it must be, the size must be this one, short bond paper 8.5 by 11. Of course, very obvious here that the orientation is portrait. And then the margin, again I am talking to you right now the formats. The margin will be normal, wherein everything top, bottom, left and right will be 1 inch. So that is for the layout. And then one thing that you should remember before starting to type anything on the blank document is that you have to go first to these tabs here. So example, there is nothing yet inside, so I'll show you. Here we have a blank document. Okay, blank document of a Microsoft Word. So before you start typing anything, you should look at the default. The default here is normal. So you should not use normal, but instead you should use no spacing option. The no spacing option must be clicked first, and then you start typing. So again, you can now start writing or typing again name as presented in the lesson enhancements format. So we go back to the lesson enhancements format. As you can see, it is no spacing. So the title, of course, lesson study enhancements, and then the name, your name, of course. Look at the format. You format the name, word name, in bold and with colon, but your name will be in normal text format. Then the subject sample, if you have accounting 1, then you have, for example, only accounting 1. Again, do not use the bold formatting, use only the normal one. But again, that is only for example, so we'll try to delete. Okay, we'll just restore it for illustration purposes only. Okay, so accounting 1 example only. And then the date of submission as provided in the bulletin. So as I have said, in the bulletin there will be date and time of submission. So whatever is written on this part, you simply have to copy on the lesson study enhancements. Example, date and time submission. Example only, August 2020. So example only, August 2020. And then the activity. So if this activity, again, you go to your bulletin, the Google Classroom bulletin, in your class, and the activity column C, you will have it here as to the activities. Example, if it is assignment 1, it will be written here, assignment 1 or assignment 2 or assignment 3, quiz 1, anything. You simply follow whatever is the described activity for your lesson study enhancement. So example, this is assignment 1, so just write. Again, this is not always assignment 1 here, but assuming that in the Google Classroom it is designated as assignment 1, so you have to write assignment 1. The title of the article. So example, in the instruction here, in the instruction in the Google bulletin is that lesson, of course, assignment 1, and then you have here the lesson activity enhancements. Example, the instruction here is to research on the topic about inventory, accounting for inventory. So example only that you have to research on the topic about accounting for inventory. So you have to, you can see it from this column A. So meaning your topic will be accounting for, the topic that you're going to search in the internet will be about accounting for inventory, because of course you can still search this one through books or any other hard copy article, but if it is available in the net, then unless I specifically require that it must be from books or hard copy materials, then you can simply search it on the net. So unless there is a requirement for your search to be coming from hard copy material, then no need to do that, because it will be faster to research anything on the web. So again, you simply follow the instructions given in column A. So now we go back to lesson study. So title of the article, so meaning after you have searched, because you are going to search about accounting for inventory as already instructed in column A. So of course I have prepared in advance this one so that I will be able to present this video expediently. So I have already made a research for accounting one topic, inventory topic, so that I can present this video fast enough. So example, you have searched already the topic, the article. So if you have searched already the article, I have searched in advance just for presentation purposes. So if you have searched the article already, that is of course relevant to the lesson guide, lesson study enhancements requirement in the activity section of the bulletin, then you have here already the article. So simply copy what is available in the article. So the title is A Beginner's Guide to Inventory Accounting. Simply copy that one, Beginner's Guide to Inventory Accounting. type title of the article, a beginner's guide to, we will just, I mean, uh, settle for the formatting later on. But okay, by the way, I forgot that the formatting for the font size and the font style will always be Tahoma for all of your text, but the font size will be 12 for all the text starting the name downwards. But this one, the lesson study enhancements text will be Tahoma 15. So this is the only one with Tahoma 15 format. The rest will be Tahoma 12. So anyway, we'll have to change this one to Tahoma 12. Tahoma 12. Okay. So anyway, there will be final formatting guide that I will be giving to you as an instruction later as we end later this topic on the lesson study enhancements preparation. So of course, after the title is already placed, again you have to present it in a normal font, not bold font, and then you now present below it the content of the article itself. So the content based on the article you have searched, simply copy all of them from this point down to the last important part. Okay, so last important